Congratulations, you are now an Excel Macro and VBA Master. Now, your journey hasn't ended yet. Make sure that you've gone through and downloaded all the exercise files, and you've gone through and not only just watched the videos, but you've participated and engaged within the exercises themselves. Practice, practice, practice. And by the way, also within this course, jump into the discussion board and share your results there. Give us some feedback. Let us know what's worked for you, what perhaps hasn't worked the way that you intended it to, and come up with your own projects. Share those ideas with us as well. But once again, congratulations for enrolling in this course and becoming an Excel, VBA, and Macro Master. I'll see you in later courses.